Perfect. Perfect.
So I'm going to start with this moisturizer, and moisturizer really does the trick. आपकी skin tired feel होती है and वो dry out होती है. Chances are कि you're not applying moisturizer or the right kind of moisturizer. You don't need a lot of product, so literally मैं इतना कम product इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ, and I'm just going to focus on the areas जहाँ पर मुझे feel होता है कि either मेरा foundation break होता है. That's literally what I do because I don't feel कि I have really large pores. So I've applied on the areas जहाँ पर मुझे चाहिए था. So yeah, this is the one that I'm using. It is the Fit Me. Also don't forget your neck. ये ज़्यादा smooth लगता है, फिर उतना smooth नहीं लगता है. So the base is looking fine to me. It looks like my skin. That is important. Now I'm going to go in with this concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible. Apparently ये वाला जो concealer है कुछ दिन मेरे पर बिल्कुल भी work नहीं करता. So it just slides right off. So I hope आज वैसा नहीं हो. I do want to buy another concealer, but I'm on a hunt right now. So let's see मैं कौन सा buy करती हूँ. जहाँ पर मुझे पिंपल था या फिर मुझे डार्कनेस थी वहाँ पर भी I've applied it, and this just kind of gives you a clean base to work on. This is the blush that I'm using, and the way I like to use it is a little bit different, you guys. So I go in like this, and then you can do two things. If you have a cap like this, so आप अपने cap के ऊपर इसको ऐसे कर सकते हैं, so the product gets distributed really nicely, or you can do it on your hand as well, the same thing. Don't forget to smile, guys. Always smile because it's really important. I think when you smile and you look at yourself, it just makes you happy. You will feel good as well. I think so you should smile more than anything else. So we're going to go right over here as well, thoda sa. Now I'm going to apply this highlighter because ये भी cream product है. So this is the one that I'm using. This is from Becca. So I like to take it on my finger. Now you can use this finger as well. I just go in with this and I just start, pressing it in. So you can see मैंने अपने under eye पर भी लगाया है, and I personally like this look on me क्योंकि मेरे पास इतनी space नहीं है कि मैं अगर highlighter यहाँ पे लगाऊंगी, blush यहाँ पे लगाऊंगी, so यहाँ पर मेरा contour आएगा तो वो फिर मेरा चेहरा ही ख़त्म हो जाएगा. So I like to go in this way. I'm going to use this palette to set my face. I will be using white chocolate from this palette. Now I'm not sure कि ये powder है या ये eyeshadow है, but इसका pan बहुत बड़ा है, and I'm trying to finish this palette, you guys. So this is the product that I'm using. I'm using this brush by the way. This is the Too Faced bronzer that I'm using over here, and the shade is medium deep. अगर आपको फील होता है कि आई लैश कर्लर आपको ज़्यादा मसला कर रहा है एंड यू नो इट हर्ट्स, सो दैट काइंड ऑफ आई लैश कर्लर इज़ नॉट फॉर यू एंड चांसेस आर कि आपके अंदर का जो रबर है उसको चेंज करने का वक्त आ गया है. सो ऑलवेज काइंड ऑफ लुक इनटू दीज थिंग्स. सो वी आर गोइंग टू जस्ट कर्ल द लैशेस. You can see इतना कम रह गया है, but it's a really good product. I'm using this one from Anastasia or Anastasia, whatever you want to say. तो मैं दोनों तरफ से खोल लेती हूँ and I do my eyebrows. I literally follow my eyebrows and yeah, I just kind of give them some shape. This is how it looks. I'm very excited for this product. I've never shown you guys on YouTube. ये मेरा बहुत favorite है, you know. Here's the product, you guys. This is from Mercier and this is in the shade Amethyst. It's their eye color stick. So this is a cream eyeshadow and the look that I want to create is something that is concentrated over here. Then I'm going to take it on the top as well because वो थोड़ा सा एक rounded सा look create करता है जो कि मुझे अच्छा लगता है. So I'm going to put concentrated from this area. I will use this brush over here. So to avoid glitter, जिस तरह से यहाँ पर हुआ है, मैं सबसे पहले यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा पाउडर लगा देती हूँ ताकि you know it's easier for me to get rid of it. This is Touch in Soul, and I'm going to use this. It's a beautiful, beautiful glitter shimmer, whatever you want to say. I will use these two shades and I'm going to just apply a dash of it on the crease of my eyelids. Now I'm going to apply this shade. This is Velvet Pearl by Mussarat Misbah. I feel this is also cutting because अगर आपने कोई भी dark shade apply कर दिया है बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी eyebrows के करीब and you are not liking it, so literally you can use this. I personally feel ये थोड़ा सा look को soft कर देता है rather than going in with too shimmer all over because मैं अपने lips को glossy रखूँगी, so it just helps, I feel. For waterline, I'm going in with this kajal pencil. Actually, जिस तरह से हम सुरमा लगाते हैं मैं उस तरह से apply कर रही हूँ. So I won't be using any liner for my eyes. Smudge this on top. अगर कोई भी black सा product होगा ऊपर तो वो इस तरह से diffuse हो जाएगा. More than the liner looks, I love these looks. This is from Neuage Cosmetics and मेरा experience अच्छा रहा है इसके साथ. What is your style of applying mascara? Like, which way is comfortable to you? I just want to know that. You know, some people find it very, comfortable कि जब वो बात कर रहे हो तब that's how they like to apply. I feel I also like to talk when I apply my mascara. So yeah. So this is a lip gloss that I'm going to apply first. This one is from Bobbi Brown and this is in the shade New Romantic. It's a beautiful, beautiful shade, you guys. So I'm going to start with my gloss first. This is from Too Faced. It's the Melted Matte and this is a liquid lipstick. It's in the shade hot buttered rum. So wipe it, huh? I like to turn it and then I'm going to just apply. ये Aldo की है and ये मैंने first या second time पहनी है, so I'm loving it. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I think this is perfect look, and if you want a guest eye makeup look or a guest makeup look for a wedding, this is perfect. See you guys in my next video. Take care. God bless you all, and Rub guys and gals. Bye.